Morning assemblies are always refreshing and it will reflect on our students' thoughts and character.
Pleasant morning, teachers and my dear friends. This is me, Ira of grade 5, along with my team. Wholeheartedly, I welcome you all to the first virtual assembly of the new academic year 2021 to 2022. We shall start with the blessings of the God Almighty.
Never to those who walk your anger or your wrong.
Ismail. India is my country. All India, my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. So let me call upon Ifan Nabi for news headlines.
News headlines brought to you by FND. Bennett College out Netanyahu as Israeli Prime Minister. Portal for Hajj registration launched. Kerala goes back to relaxed lockdown mode. As the triple lockdown like curbs announced in Kerala to curb the spread of the virus coming to
with our thoughts, who is thoughts with Abhinav, who is here to share the thought of the day.
Good morning, everyone. The thought for the day. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. I repeat, it is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone.
Next, I would like to call Minha Yunus for delivering a speech on Blood Donor Day.
The gift of blood is the gift of life. A very pleasant morning to one and all. Today, I'm going to deliver a speech on the topic Blood Donors Day. Every year, countries around the world celebrate World Blood Donor Day on June 14. The event was first organized in 2005. Do you know the theme for this year? Give blood and keep the world beating. As it is a public awareness for safe world, everyone can be a part of it. And definitely, Mount Guide can beat the world by the unpaid donation of blood. Sometimes money cannot save life, but donated blood can. And donor of today may be the recipient of tomorrow. Thank you.
I welcome Simra Fazal for GK questions on the topic our state Kerala. Over to you, Simra.
Good morning, one and all. I'm Simra, and today I am here to ask some general knowledge questions about Kerala. So, the first question is where is the tea garden of Kerala? I repeat, where is the tea garden of Kerala? Answer is Munnar. Where is Vikram Sarabhai Space Center situated at? The answer is wrong. It's Tumba. So the third question is, which is the largest lake in Kerala? I repeat, which is the largest lake in Kerala?
Vembanad Lake. Vembanad.
Your answer is correct, Vembanad Lake. Now, the fourth question is the name of the district with the longest coastal area.
Kannur. Kannur.
Your answer is correct, Kannur. Thank you. And over to Ira.
Assembly. Hope you had a good time with us. Thank you for your valuable time.
Good morning, everyone. Here comes to the end of today's assembly. Excellent assembly done by grade 5. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.